Hello everyone, good morning. Today is March 27 and it is a rare Sunday workday for me, but it's okay because we're finally going to do the shoot and filming for the Brutalist Haven project. And today is going to be overloaded because I will try to film 3 different contents, which is like the design reveal, the behind the scenes, and also the reels. You guys, what happens behind the camera whenever we do photo shoots and staging. So I hope you guys will stay tuned and let's go.
Hello! Akala mo production team.
Just for today, let's take the long way home. I need some more time. Hey, I just sing what the songbirds say, but I need a new line. Go, boy, you got yours to do, and they need them done.
It is 10:20 a.m. Now I'm going to clean up the bathrooms for photo shoot and filming.
See, it started to make sense to him when he no longer cared. Then life showed up right next to him, enjoying.
So we're currently fixing the bedrooms for now. We're going to start with the floor where we start with the innermost bedroom so the client can stay here while we do the photo shoot. And then we're going downstairs to do the kitchen, living and dining later on.
Just for today, let's take the shortcut home. We need to move, we need to move, we need to move. Just when I think that I'm in control, I'm really in cruise. Not in the mood, I need to lay down.
Okay, so the photo shoot is over and I still have some stuff to film. So I am going to focus more on the ground floor.
See, it started to make sense to him when he no longer cared. Then life showed up right next to him, enjoying to the end. Oh, what I would give to be alive again. Now everybody wants you out on your own. I won't go. I won't.
Today is finally editing day, so I just finished checking my emails and tending to other project concerns. So I'm going to spend the whole day doing the Brutalist Haven vlog, and then I'll probably organize my videos first because I have been filming a lot of stuff for the past few weeks. So I'm going to share with you guys like how I edit, but it's not going to be like a full-blown tutorial because I'm still a beginner at it and I don't feel that I have the badge yet to do like, a tutorial video, but I'll try my best to explain what I do whenever I edit and also do the planning. The first phase of my video editing process is the rough cut, where I basically import all of my video files and just put everything into the file, and then I'll rearrange them into the order that I want to storytell them. This part is actually the most time consuming for me because this is where I trim videos and just make it into something more compact and easy to view for people. usually before I do the filming and photo shoot of my projects, I already have listed my ideas in a notebook, and I do like rough sketches of like thumbnails of the spaces and the flow that I want to achieve. And then this is also like a reminder of myself during the editing phase of the scenes and angles that I want to show. And when I get like a more detailed idea in the process, I transfer it onto my Notion page. I have like a social media task list there where I do my idea brain dump and just do like the shot list and also my script, just so that I won't forget any details that I want to share with you, especially during the design reveal. Okay, I am done with the rough cut of the whole video, and I should probably start working on the voiceovers now, but I'll do it later because I'm not mentally prepared for it yet. So I will start doing the color grading for now and then do the voiceover later on when I'm a bit ready. When the client told me they wanted a Brutalist inspired home, I got excited. I thought to myself that this is going to be different, a new playground for me to explore the different sides of the concept and get a little bit of blah blah blah. Cost efficient to the client. The pocket garden is also an eye catcher, bringing in nature closer to indoors. The dining area is an artwork itself. An 8-seater dining table in solid wood, stained to match the color scheme of the kitchen. We went for something a bit playful here with the seating and tried to mix and match the chair designs and added bench for flexible seating options. The chair and bench match the ones in the living room with a little touch of Filipino ways in Solihia material in our furniture. We have 2 bedrooms here with their respective bathrooms, the master bedroom and bedroom 1, where we can see a little bit of the client's personalities shining through. Oh no, my cat is eating. Okay, my cat is done snacking. Let's work on it again. Curves and more palettes. He's going to join us for this video. This residential project gave me a new perspective on brutalist interior design, especially in Philippine context. While most of us resonate brutalism with being vulnerable and heavy, we all This residential project gave me a new perspective on brutalist interior design, especially in the Philippine context. While most of us resonate brutalism with being vulnerable and heavy, we can also find hope in its concept. Okay, now I hope all of the audio are okay, and I'll just try to edit it in Premiere Pro in like 10 minutes. Pray for me. I finished the voice recording yesterday and I started cleaning up the ones for the ground floor area. So today I am targeting to finish the vlog. So I'm going to work on the second floor voiceovers, the background music, and the final color grading, and also the text. The finishing part of my video editing process, I usually do the color grading. So I usually use LUTs, which is basically like presets in video form, and then I adjust it because I want it to have a distinct look, but also at the same time I don't want it to be so deviated from the original colors of the project. I also add some infographics such as the floor plan, and then add text to further supplement my info and details into the storytelling. Y'all, I got photos from Hillary.
So for the last content, I am finally working on my reels. So I used InShot as my editing software, and I just compile all of my videos and then trim it down. I prefer making it per area, and then I also save it on my Instagram account so that the audio I'm using is already there, and I just have to remind myself, like set an alarm when I can post it. Next, I upload the photos to my Lightroom account on my iPad so I can easily select them all and just export it to a watermarked photo. But before I do that, I usually crop it to 4x5, which is the Instagram size. And also because I like my stuff organized, I usually divide them or segregate them into folders, which is usually per area or per platform or even per date, because I find it much easier to transfer them into Notion. And if you're wondering why I just don't put it directly into FB Business Suite instead of like skipping Notion and stuff, it's because I do find Facebook Business Suite a bit laggy. So even though it's taking me an extra time or extra step to work on the Notion, it's just so much organized for my brain flow.
Cause even if your eyes aren't shining, you've still got my heart. Maybe it doesn't have to be so bad, long as we've got each other. There's still reason to be glad. Oh.